Hello everyone! So it's kind of a special video for me. I've hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's so awesome to say that. I'm super excited to see what 2019 will bring for me. 2018 was an awesome year. I do want to thank all of you guys. Thank you so much for all of your sweet comments, your emails. So to celebrate this milestone on YouTube, I'm giving away this mechanical tractor thanks to Robotime. I will build it in this video, so stay tuned to get to know how you can enter my giveaway. Okay, so I'm ready with this tractor. Thank you so much Robotime, it was so fun to do. Okay, so we will begin with the rules how to enter this giveaway. The first thing to do is to be subscribed to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. The second thing you need to do is give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Third, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is creatietroll. And the last thing you need to do is comment down below why you would like to receive a package like this. The best comment will win this giveaway. And you will receive a new package of Robotime. They will send it to you. My giveaway ends January 18th, 2019 at 8 PM Central European Time. I will be announcing the winner in the comment section down below. Best of luck to everyone. Bye!